Deliverable 1A, we are creating a financial tool for our soldiers to use. Talking points. So we're going to talk about our influence diagram, our Excel workbook, citations, and conclusion. Our influence diagram, so basically in the end state we want the net present value of the soldier in order for him to be able to make more sound financial decisions. The main two things that go into net present value are income and expenses, and those two large categories have many other variables that go into them, such as expected retirement date, cost of dependence, inflation, cars, taxes. As far as things that go into income, we have salary, investment return rates, housing allowance, and other benefits. The chart's pretty self-explanatory and shows what it takes to get to our net present value. So let's take our workbook to see how this flows. So within our workbook, every military member has a pay chart. When the soldier goes in to find how much money they make, they come here and they type in their rank. So let's say it's E4. So he puts in E4 and he's been in service for 5 years. Once we connect all the workbooks together, the pay will come up and he'll know his pay. After that, he'll click the next tab, which will go to housing allowance. So you can see how much money he gets depending on dependence and his rank. So he goes to his rank and he puts in his rank, E4, no dependence, and then his pay will come out so he knows how much extra pay. So he'll be able to add his military pay and his housing allowance. From there, one of the costs is life insurance. So he'll put in his age, and the cost of his life insurance over the year will pop up. And then his income tax will also come in, so he'll say if he's married, if he's the head of the household, what his income is, and the tax rate. So then he'll figure out like his total tax. From there, the past 4 sheets will add up and subtract to give him his net present value, so he knows what financial decisions he'll make. As far as the housing allowance, we're assuming that we are working out of Hawaii and that these are the basic housing allowance like within that state. So these are our citations. This is where we found our charts for where we found our charts and stuff for our values. We have a couple more things to add, but this is like the basic concept and outline of what we're doing. So that concludes our model as of now. We have a couple more things to add, but so far it looks pretty good.